Hello, everybody. This is Ryan with SoftFront. I'm doing this quick recording. If you could not attend my presentation today for Taloo on CRM and marketing, you're welcome to use this and watch it on your own or share it with anybody in your network who could use it. So I'm going to share my screen here, and we're going to talk about CRM. I'm going to keep this pretty quick. I realize these things can get fairly boring, and I don't want to be boring, so we're just going to talk about this here. So why do you need a CRM for business? That's the question we're going to address today. What's important about it? What does it do for you? And how is it going to benefit you in terms of generating more business and sales? When you don't have a CRM, there's a few things you could be missing. You could be missing sales opportunities due to a lack of a good follow-up. Maybe you're not tracking reports on your marketing or sales efforts, so you really don't know what's going on, what people are clicking on or opening or asking questions about. You may have disorganized customer data. That's not good. You want to have that organized. You want to be able to find customers and understand what their needs are. Maybe you have an inconsistent lead nurturing strategy. You're not following up with leads. Leads are falling through the cracks. Or maybe you have customers you just don't follow up on enough to find out if you can upsell or help them in any way with other things they're needing help with that you can offer. Maybe you have a lack of marketing effort through social media, email, YouTube, Google, or otherwise. Maybe there are some channels you're not taking advantage of that you could start to take advantage of, like YouTube. Start doing videos, promotional videos, things like that. Maybe you have a consistent plan. Maybe you don't have a consistent plan that will generate leads, sales, and growth for your business. And maybe you need a consistent plan. You need some consistency to help foster growth and create sales opportunities. So let's talk about the benefits of CRM for business and sales. Number one, it helps you develop a sales process. A lot of people don't have a process. They think sales is just talking to somebody and making a sale. Well, there has to be a process with that. What is your process? What is working? What is not? A CRM helps to hold yourself or your sales team accountable to their actions. What sort of activities are they doing? Are they making phone calls? Are they emailing? How often are they doing it? How much are they doing? And is it generating results? You can't create sales by not doing any work. You can't create sales sitting around doing nothing. So it's important to have a plan and hold yourself accountable to the work. Also, it helps to define your success. And a CRM can tell you what's working and what is not working. Is email working for you? Are email campaigns working? Are phone calls working for you? Maybe it's content. Maybe your videos that you're putting out are working for you and generating leads. This will help define, having a CRM will help define what's working and what is not. And even though you have some things that are not working, that's a good indicator that you need to change and do something else. It'll help you to stay organized so you can keep track of your customers, your products, and what's going on. You can understand your customers, their traits, and their demographics. So you can understand who your customers are. What are their traits? What is their age group? Where do they live? What do they do? What do they buy? All of these things are good things to understand about your customers to help you tailor your product or your service more. And again, this can help you tailor your marketing and outreach strategy. Find out what marketing works for you and what doesn't. A CRM can help you learn what services or products your customers care about. We already talked about that. So it's important to know what are they buying, why are they buying what they're buying, and what else could they use that could help them in addition to what you've already provided. And again, a CRM overall helps you to maintain a consistent marketing strategy. Consistency is key. Marketing results don't happen overnight. It takes consistency. It takes months and months and sometimes years of work to start delivering really great results and really good customers. So consistency is very important. If you can't stick to a plan and stay consistent with it, typically you're not going to see a lot of success. So with SoftFront, what makes us different? There's a lot of CRM companies out there. There's a lot of things to choose from. I understand that. There's some big names out there. There's some small names. And they're all out there online. You can buy and sign up for any one of them. And a lot of them are free, or they have a free plan. But what makes us different compared to others? Well, We provide managed marketing services to handle the work you don't have the time to do. So we have an entire team that can help with your social media, your email marketing. A lot of other CRM companies may or may not have that, but we do. We provide some consultation, some training, and we can help you focus on a plan to be successful. We have a human support team you can actually speak to and have virtual sessions with and get help from. Yes, you can call us, you can call me, you can ask us questions, you can get the support you need from us, from an actual human being, and not just a chat box or some sort of auto dial system or auto attendant. We are an actual human being group. We're here to help you. We want to help you on a human level, and we all understand that it's important to talk to an actual person when you need help. Nothing's more frustrating than not being able to do that. So we also have over 25 years of experience in CRM. We've worked with tons of clients over the years. We've got a lot of lessons learned. We've learned a lot of things from the clients we've worked with, and we're very thankful to have the clients we have and the business we've had over the past 25 years. It's been great. So we do have experience in what we do, and we can help you with anything you need help with. We're also creative problem solvers. We want to exceed your expectations and deliver the best results. So no matter what sort of problem you have, software related or not, we can help to figure out a solution. We'll do our best to come up with a solution and help you deliver some great results. So that's what makes SoftFront different. Here's a couple of quick testimonials you can browse and look at from one of our partners and one of my clients. They're just extremely happy with our work and our performance, and we're very thankful to have them as well. So I wanted to also quickly share a book I read recently called There's a Customer Born Every Minute. It's about P.T. Barnum, who was really integral in terms of the circus back, probably over 100 years ago or more. P.T. Barnum, if you don't know, was an incredibly smart marketing guy. He created some marketing strategies way before we had the internet, way before we had phones and CRMs and all this stuff. He actually had some great ideas, and the book details his great ideas in terms of marketing his businesses and growing his businesses. And these are lessons that still can be used today. So I highly recommend this book. I'm not getting paid to promote this book. I just think it's a great book, and I want to share it with everybody to go and check it out. It's called There's a Customer Born Every Minute. You can find it on Amazon. You can find it on Kindle. You could probably find it on eBay for cheap. Maybe not cheap. I don't know, because it's a very good book. So it may not be as cheap as some, but check it out. And here's a quote from him, from P.T. Barnum. No one ever made a difference by being like everyone else. So when it comes to marketing, I'm a huge fan of figuring out what makes you or your company unique, what separates you, and figure out how to capitalize that. What is your unique qualifier? What is your unique offering that you have compared to your competitors? So think about that. And if you like to read, check out this book. It's really good. If you need more info and you want to contact me, here is my phone number, my email. You can ask me anything you want about marketing or sales or software. I'm kind of a tech nerd, if you can't tell by looking at me. So please check it out, go to our website, or send me an email. I'd be happy to offer some help and some recommendations for your business. I want to keep this short, so if you have any questions, feel free to email me or go on the Telu Facebook group and ask me questions there. It was great to do this. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you will share this with anybody in your network who needs the help. Thank you very much, and good luck. Take care. This is Ryan signing off.